Hello, welcome to More Sound. Today we're taking a look at the Reizen big LCD display talking alarm clock. Model number 700802. This clock speaks the time.
12:59 p.m.
If we push this button, it should enable the hourly broadcast. It has 3 sounds.
1 o'clock p.m.
There's the hourly announcement. Next up, we're going to check out the alarm clock on this clock. Still waiting.
1:02 p.m. 1:02 p.m. 1:02 p.m.
This top button also acts like a silence button. That's our review of the Reizen 700802 big LCD display talking alarm clock. Thank you for watching this More Sound video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Check out our stores by scanning the QR codes on your screen or clicking the links in the description.